Here we are in the depths of Port Hedland. I've seen octopus, I've seen snakes, I've seen fish, and I can't identify any of them. Shaz is just getting out of 80 Mile Beach.
Oh, I love 80 Mile Beach. I have been thinking of you, Diane and Roger, my dear good friends. Oh, I love 80 Mile Beach. It's so good. Thanks for the tip.
We have a bucket full of shells, or a suitcase, or maybe a car load of shells.
Oh, I could spend forever there. I said to Jory that I could live here, but then we'd have to live in a house made of shells because I would collect so many. But it's been amazing.
So where are we off to, Shaz?
Port Hedland.
Port Hedland, about 3 hours away.
Yeah.
Just photographed a snake going across the road for your abs. You'll have to tell us what sort he was. He's about 6 foot long, very striped, and a black head.
This is our little track down to the beach from our cabin. There's our cabin just there, and there's the beach. How good is that? Tide's right out, so I'm going to go shell hunting. I'm sure he's going to fly the drone. This is tide out in Port Hedland. It's the best. It's so good. Goes for miles. Shory's way down there flying the drone. And I'm out here walking, I don't know how far out to get a wave with this little gadget. We'll see if it works. Pretty cool, huh?
balcony of our little cabin here, haven't we?
We have, and we spotted some fish jumping, so we put up the drone and we thought, oh, it's sharks, but no, it's not sharks. But we don't know what it is.
Don't know what fish they are, but they were big fish.
So for all our fishermen friends out there, can you let us know what they are? Con Roger, let me know what sort of fish.
They had yellow fins.
No, blue.
Bluish.
We're real fishermen here.
Oh, yeah.
But let us know. So tomorrow we're off to inland, and we're going to be at Newman tomorrow and then Kew the next day. So
see you all there.
see ya.